Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF document using a digital signature certificate, or DSC, token. First, ensure you have your DSC token plugged into a USB port and its corresponding driver software is ready for installation on your computer. You will also need a robust PDF viewer application like Adobe Acrobat Reader. Having these essential items prepared will streamline your digital signing experience significantly, taking only a few minutes before you begin the actual signing process. After plugging in your DSC token, locate its driver software. This might be on a small compact disc included with your purchase, or you can download it from your token provider's official website. Run the installer as an administrator, following all on-screen instructions precisely. A successful installation is crucial for your computer to recognize the token. Restart your system if prompted, ensuring the driver is fully integrated before proceeding to the next step. Now, open the specific PDF document you need to sign using your chosen PDF viewer. Scroll through the document and identify the exact location where your digital signature is required. Most PDF applications provide a clear sign or fill and sign option, often found in the main toolbar or under a Tools menu. Clicking this option usually activates a signature field tool, allowing you to draw a box for your signature. Once the signature field tool is active, simply draw a rectangle where your signature should reside on the document. Your computer will then prompt you to choose your DSC from a list of recognized digital certificates. Select your specific token, then a secure pop-up window will appear, asking for your DSC token's personal identification number, or PIN. Enter your correct PIN carefully to authorize the digital signature application to your document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.